Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we're going about Java switch statement. So in the previous video, we have discussed all about if statements. So in this video, switch statements we are going to. So instead of writing many if statements, you can use the switch statement. The switch statement selects one of many code blocks to be executed. So we have this syntax now for the switch statement. So for the switch, so we have this switch keyword, and then we have this condition or expression, and then we have this we call this case 1, case 2, and then or more. So we have, and then we have this block of code inside, and then we have this default. No, so this is the default value if none of this code will, or this case will executed. So if wala siya nag-qualify diha, so is executed in this block. So how it works, so the switch expression is evaluated once. So ma-evaluate lang siya once. So the value of the expression is compared with the values of its case. So yung value ng expression dito is i-evaluate niya bawat case. So if yung case niya is nag-match sa value dito, so execute niya yung code block. So if there is a match, the associated block of code is executed. The break and the default keyword is optional. Ito yung break is optional, and we'll describe later in these videos. No? So in this example, we have this int day na may value na 4. So bali yung expression natin is day. So i-check natin yung value ni day is equal to 4. So check niya if kung saan nag-match yung value ng day. So yung value ng day is 4, so execute niya yung Thursday. Check natin to. So Thursday kasi yung value ni day is 4. So check natin to 7. So yan, print natin ulit. So Sunday kasi yung value ng day natin is 7. Kaya piprint niya yung block ng code. So take note guys, the break keyword, when Java reaches a break keyword, ito yung break, it breaks out the switch block and it will stop the execution of more codes and case testing inside of the block. When a match is found, if nagmatch na dito, if dito, and then na-execute na yung code, at saka pagkatapos na nag-execute ng code, nag-break na siya. Kaya, and a job is done, and it's time for a break, and it's no need for testing more. So, din niya yung i-test yung ibang case dito. Kasi, nag-execute na yung code, tsaka na-break niya yung block of code na yan. So, and guys, I hope you'll have learned a lot of this. So, you can practice more about case switch statement. So, it's helpful for you to understand more about this. And then, this is a basic example. So, I hope you learned a lot. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe our channel. And see you on the next video, guys.